안녕하세요, 감사합니다. Today I will be going to Subway and ordering 2 ham sandwiches. I hope anyone who is coming to Australia and is curious about ordering Subway in Australia or just anywhere in the English speaking world can get some useful advice about ordering Subway. Thank you. Subway is just there, but unfortunately I'm not a bad boy and we have to walk all the way down here and then come all the way back here just to get to the Subway. This is a very sad time. Oh, it's my old high school down there. I miss it. The easy days. Oh, we are so close. This is a pharmacy there and a petrol station where you can get your petrol, and Subway is just there. We're coming up. I'm getting hungry just thinking about it. One Italian curds and cheese and 1 Wheatbread footlong. Sure.
Yep, and what were on those ones?
Just ham, and one of them American cheese and the other with no cheese.
Sure. So you want to order English?
American?
Don't do that.
Yeah, all English.
Was that on the Italian herbs?
Yeah, the Italian herbs.
Were they both toasted?
The Italian herbs toasted, please.
What salads we offer on this one?
Capus have lettuce, cucumber, carrot, and onion. No thank you.
Any sauce or something?
No thanks.
What salads we offer?
Lettuce, tomato, cucumber, olives, jalapeno, and onion. Ranch, and do you have like a hot chili sauce?
Yeah, we do that.
Yeah, that's fine.
Any salt and pepper on that one?
No, thank you.
$17.90. Would I proceed with that one?
No, thank you.
All good.
Thank you very much. Thank you. There's something called a kangaroo curry. That sounds interesting. Alright, so I got my 2 Subways. I cannot wait to eat these, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video and it was helpful and it was just entertaining, I guess. I don't know. Well, yeah. Alright, well here is my Subway. I can't wait to eat it. I don't know why I'm even talking. Oh my god. It's amazing. Alright, well I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. Many more videos to come. If you have anything else you would like me to do, let me know. Thank you. 감사합니다.